Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps from App Store without Apple ID password. So guys, if you are trying to download and install apps from App Store but it is asking for the password and you don't have the password and you want to install the apps without Apple ID password, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then go to Face ID and passcode and enter the passcode of your device for one time. And once you are here, you have to simply turn on the toggle for iTunes and App Store. And after this, give the password for one time. And then tap on OK button. And after this, go back. And now you have to go to screen time. And from here go to content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to go to content and privacy restrictions, turn it on, and now go to app installations and purchases, and from here allow installing apps from here, allow installing apps from App Store, and now from here tap on require password, and from here if it is on always required you have to simply tap on don't require, and after this go back. And now go back to your home screen and now go to App Store and search for any app which you want to install and simply search for the app and try to get the app. Here I am getting this one, or you can install any other as well. So guys, here I am getting this one, Cleaner app. Simply tap on get button and now double click to install the app from here. So guys, simply double click it, and after this the app will start installing and downloading. So guys, you can see this, it is being downloaded and it will be installed after this. So guys, here you can see this, the App Store is not asking for the password. In this way you can also download and install the apps from App Store without Apple ID password. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.